Hi, I'm Christina Williams with My Craft Channel with a quick tip. One of the most fun ways to incorporate color and texture into your decorating and craft projects is with fabric. And here I have a floating frame that I've used several different fabrics on. I created this really fun banner that goes across the corners of the frame using my Xyron Creative Cutter and some fabric strips. It was very simple to just cut a strip of fabric or several different strips of fabric as you see here and place them all on the tray to advance through and apply adhesive right to the back. Then I come out with a strip of fabric similar to this. It's very simple, quick to peel it right off. I've already got my banner hanging here, so I'm just going to add one last flag by hooking it over and pushing it down, and here I'm just going to flatten that out, and now I'll just trim the end off with my scissors. It's very easy for you to come up with lots of fun ideas using the Xyron Creative Cutter and the fabric that you want to incorporate into your crafting projects.